Remove text from image Canva. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So let's teach you how you could easily remove text such as this one over here on our image fairly easily. Now keep in mind that you would need to have a pro Canva account to be able to utilize these features. So first things first, what you're going to do is you're going to select our photo over here. After that, click on edit. Now this edit mode over here will show us different options or different features under the Magic Studio, and what we're looking for is the magic eraser. So if you click on this, as you can see, we will be able to select a brush size. So simply select the brush size that you like. So we're going to highlight the text that you want to remove, of course, from your photos. As you can see, just highlight everything that you want to remove and then click on erase, and you should be able to remove those texts. So let's give it a few moments over here to load. Now, the way this works is that the magic eraser will identify the background and remove those following text for you. Although it won't be perfect, as you can see, there will be some excess or dirt over here. You could simply retry and delete those again and do it over and over until you get a satisfying result. Now, our example right now is a bit too simple. Let's try a more difficult option or a more difficult photo. This one, as you can see. So we have a more complex background. It has, or it's currently a beach, and it's not similar to this one where it's just a white background. So this one, it has to work quite a lot. So simply click on the photo again, click on edit, then click on magic eraser. Simply select our text here, then click on erase, and it's going to clear that up again. So it's using a content awareness logic wherein it's going to check the background, and as you can see, we were easily able to remove the text and the background looks seamless, as you can see. So you don't see a sign of anything or a sign of editing. As you can see, it's very useful and very great. So you could utilize this feature for a lot of different complex images, like images that has a lot of people, a lot of elements like nature or environment, and so on and so forth. You could easily utilize that feature to remove all kinds of text that you don't want to appear on your photo. So you could even remove stuff like this one over here, but you need to have a flat image. So these example over here are a flat image. This is just something I made. So it's fairly simple and very straightforward. So that's basically it, guys. If you want to try out the Canva Pro, click the link in the description for a free 30-day free trial so you could try out this feature. So that's basically it. Click on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.